Before buying a gas-powered wood splitter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Users often complain about performance inconsistencies that can really slow you down. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Super Handy Log Splitter 25-ton. First up is the Super Handy Log Splitter, boasting a hefty 25-ton splitting force and priced at $1,399.99. What caught my attention was its portable design and durable steel wedge. If you want a reliable splitter that can tackle tough logs with ease, this is worth a serious look. The portable design with sturdy wheels makes moving it between your firewood stack and worksite a breeze. Plus, with a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 329 reviews, users seem quite happy with its performance. Now, some people complained about the weight, which is about 245 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated space to use it, that weight shouldn't be a deal breaker since it's built for efficiency once you set it up. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a professional-grade splitter that can handle heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you want something lighter and more compact for small jobs or limited space. For the value, it's a solid investment in your firewood preparation. Now, if the weight of the Super Handy bothered you, this next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Super Handy 20-ton Log Splitter. Next, we have the Super Handy 20-ton Log Splitter. Priced at $999.99, this one features a 7 HP engine and automatic wood splitting wedge. The portability of this model is what really stands out. If you want a reliable, commercial-quality splitter without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. With a cycle time of just 7.5 seconds, you're not going to be stuck waiting around to get your work done. Plus, the 4.3 stars from 152 reviews reflect its solid performance, making it a popular choice. However, some users noted that the safety features could be improved. While it's essential to wear proper protective gear, enhanced safety controls would be a nice touch. But honestly, if you're comfortable with operating machinery, you'll still find it quite effective. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a dependable splitter that you can easily transport to different sites. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier-duty option for larger logs. For the price, it offers great value for the capabilities it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who need something with more power. Product number 3, BILT Hard 27-ton Log Splitter. Now let's talk about the BILT Hard 27-ton towable gas-powered log splitter, priced at $1,499.99. What really caught my eye was its impressive 27-ton splitting force. If you're tackling demanding jobs, this one's worth a serious look. This beast is driven by a 209cc OHV engine, delivering 9.14 ft lb. It allows horizontal and vertical operation, which is a game-changer for those hefty logs that can't be lifted. Plus, with a rating of 4.6 stars from 72 reviews, users appreciate its power and versatility. But here's the catch, it weighs a hefty 494 pounds. That might frustrate some who want to move it easily. However, if you have a reliable means to tow it, that weight can be a non-issue, especially for the level of power it provides. This is perfect for you if you regularly deal with large logs and need something that can handle heavy-duty work. Skip this one if you just want a lightweight splitter for small tasks. Considering its power, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, if you're looking for something lighter than that beast, this next one is a great alternative. Product number 4, Landworks 20-ton Log Splitter. Moving on, we have the Landworks Log Splitter with a 20-ton rating, priced at $999.99. This one's known for its rapid auto-return ram system and portability. If you need a reliable splitter that's easy to transport, this one deserves your attention. What stands out here is the fast 7.5-second cycle time, allowing you to get through your wood pile in no time. The combination of a 7 HP gas engine and a lightweight design with sturdy wheels means you can take it wherever you need. It holds a solid 4.4-star rating based on 343 reviews, which shows it's a dependable choice. However, some users reported issues with the hydraulic fluid not being included. While it's a minor inconvenience, it's something to prepare for. But honestly, once you get that sorted, the splitter works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you want something portable yet powerful for regular use. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier model for extensive work. For the price and performance, it's a great value. And now, if you want something that stands out in terms of eco-friendliness, check out our final product. Product number 5, PROYAMA 6.5-ton electric log splitter. Finally, let's look at the PROYAMA log splitter priced at $309. While it's electric, its features are hard to ignore. If you're looking for something more eco-friendly, this one's worth a look. This electric model can split logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches long, which is perfect for smaller jobs around the house. It holds a good rating of 4.4 stars from 156 reviews, showing that users appreciate its efficiency. That said, some users noted that it struggles with larger logs, which can be a limitation. If you plan to split heavier wood regularly, you might find it lacking. But honestly, for light to moderate splitting tasks, it performs well. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and easy to manage for smaller firewood prep. Skip this one if you're only focused on splitting larger logs. At this price, it's a fantastic option for what it offers. So there you have it. We went through the Super Handy 25-ton, the Super Handy 20-ton, the BILT Hard 27-ton, the Landworks 20-ton, and lastly, the PROYAMA 6.5-ton electric log splitter. Each has its strengths, so think about what suits your specific needs. Whether it's power, portability, or eco-friendliness, there's definitely a splitter for you.